The Earth was formed 4.6 billion years ago, and if you could imagine that time a long time ago, the Earth would have been a big ball of molten lava and magma. As the Earth cooled, the magma turned into crust, and the crust that we see today is made up of different types of rock. Imagine the crust on top of on the edge of bread, or a bowl of custard that's cooled down, and that layer of skin, that's effectively the rock that was stood on. There are three types of rocks you need to know about. The first is called sedimentary. Now, sedimentary rock has certain features that distinguish it from the other two groups. Sedimentary rock has layers, right, key feature, and the layers are formed when sediment settles using the sea over millions of years and gets compressed. Those layers of sediment stick together to form sedimentary rock. The second group are called metamorphic. Now, the word morphic means shape and change. So metamorphic rocks change shape and change their features due to two things, two keywords, heat and pressure. The heat and the pressure squashes the rock and causes the minerals to realign, and we get some other features. For example, slate, which forms very, very thin layers and is very hard, and marble, which we see around us quite a lot of the time. The third group is called igneous. Now, igneous rocks forms from lava or magma cooling. A lot of people get lava and magma mixed up. It's called lava when molten rock reaches the Earth's surface. Below the surface, it's called magma. In igneous rocks, we see crystals forming, interlocking crystals, which makes igneous rocks like this granite particularly good for decoration. These three rocks all form part of the rock cycle. It's a constant process where rocks change from one form to another. This type of rock, for example, can be weathered and eroded. It can get carried by streams and rivers and deposited back in the sea to form sedimentary rocks. If the sedimentary rocks are put under a lot of heat and pressure as they get pushed down towards the Earth, they then turn into metamorphic rocks. If we heat these up too much, they can melt and become igneous rocks again. One special feature that only one of these rocks will show is fossils. Fossils form in sedimentary rocks as they get trapped in the sediment, and we're left with shells and bones and other hard parts of the animals that wouldn't decay.